Pry open the passenger side cover, unscrew the side fixing screws. Pry open the instrument trim panel. Pry open the bottom decorative panel of the instrument panel. Unscrew the fixing screw. Remove the trim panel. Unscrew the display screen fixing screw. Remove the display. Unscrew the bottom fixing screw of the saddle. Unplug the cable and remove the saddle. Unscrew the CD host fixing screw. Remove the CD host. Unplug the original car power cord. Connect our company's power cable to the CD player. The other one is connected to the original car power cord. Remove the factory microphone opening. Mount it onto our company's panel frame. Fixing screw. Unscrew the fixing screw on the back of the display screen. Remove the back cover. Unplug the cable. Unscrew the circuit board fixing screw. Take out the circuit board. Unscrew the circuit board fixing screw. Take out the circuit board. Unscrew our hardware frame cover fixing screws. Remove the cover. Install the original car circuit board. Fixing screw. Install the circuit board. Fixing screw. Cover the hardware frame cover. Connect the ribbon cable. Be sure to connect the ribbon cable first and connect the power cable last. Docking microphone cable. Place the microphone next to the pillar of the main frame. Card slot cable and microphone cable. 360 interface. Power cable. Panel button line. There are 2 panel button cables. Use this for models 12-14. Use this one for models from 2015 onward. GPS antenna. Place the GPS antenna inside the D-pillar of the trunk. 4 grams antenna. Install the hardware circuit board fixing screws. Connect the main board power cable. Reconnect the original vehicle wiring harness to its original position. Install the display panel. Fixing screw. Let's take a look at the overall effect.